Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change sprays in Brawl Star on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Brawl Star app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the main screen, tap your profile banner in the top left corner. This will open your profile page. Scroll down and look for sprays section. Here you can see all the sprays you currently own. Tap edit spray. You will see slot for sprays that you can equip. Each player can equip a few sprays to quickly use during the matches. Tap on spray slot and choose a new spray from your collection. You can pick spray you have unlocked from Brawl Pass event or boxes. After selecting your spray, tap save or confirm. Now your spray are ready to use in matches. During a match, tap the spray button on the screen. Your equipped spray will appear and you can place them anywhere in the arena to show off or communicate with teammates. And that's it. By editing your spray slot, you can change and use any spray you own in Brawl Star on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.